Your life is a string of decisions chained together. Two people with the same tragic experience can choose to attribute that to their success or their downfall. Your decision is the key to living the life of your dreams. So we choose to see the road. We choose to live. The world is a vast place and there is no capital truth. From point A to point B, there are infinite possibilities. If you want something enough and seek it, you'll find a path to it. Our perception is our reality, so start making your reality one that is meaningful. Try new things. Meet new people. Step out of the shackles of your comfort zone. Embrace the wonders of the world. Embrace the difference in the people you meet, because each person has a lesson to teach. Throw away that suffocating fear. Know from your heart that there are great things in this universe. Great things that we are all capable of achieving, that we all deserve. The experiences you gain choosing what you love will be wealth that no one can ever take from you. Live the life you want and don't ever apologize for it. Remember, success doesn't bring happiness. Happiness brings success. So what will you choose?